Press the power button once to turn on off the speaker. The speaker will automatically shut down when there is no audio input or operation for 15 minutes. Press the Bluetooth button once to enter the pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds to disconnect the Bluetooth connection. Press the MFB once to play, pause. Press the button twice to the next track. Press the button 3 times to the previous track. Press the MFB once to answer hang up a call. Press and hold the MFB for 2 seconds to reject a call. Press and hold the MFB for 2 seconds to activate the voice assistant. Press and hold the decrease, increase button simultaneously for 5 seconds to reset. Press the EQ button to switch the music mode. Solid white light for X-Bass mode. Solid blue light for audiobook mode. When the light is off, so is the X-Bass. First, connect the Bluetooth speaker 1 to your phone and then press the TWS button. Ensure the Bluetooth speaker 2 is not connecting to any devices and then press the TWS button.
Stereo mode, left channel, right channel.
Both speakers broadcast voice prompts at the same time, indicating the TWS pairing is successful and the speaker 1 is the host. 2 speakers are in stereo mode. Press the TWS button on either speaker 1 or speaker 2.
Party mode.
When you hear the voice prompt, the party mode is available. Press and hold the TWS button for 2 seconds on any speaker to disconnect the group. When the speaker is charging, the indicator light stays red. When the speaker is fully charged about 4 hours, the red indicator light goes off.